Bonjour, je suis Fabrice Taïeb, je suis français. During my last year in master, I met a Chinese guy who is living in Paris. Talked to me about China, their family story of China. So all this make my interest about understanding more about China. When I arrive in Dongguan, I find a strong willing of improvements. Nice site, very good improving place with a GBA area linked to Macau in one side and Hong Kong on the other side. Okay, this is a standard, but we have to find a way to be better than standard. I have a very strict requirement on technology to meet environmental protection of life cycle statement. 绿水金山就是金山银山。I used to say to my family in France that I better know now how to find my way in Dongguan than in my hometown in France. So Dongguan is my second hometown.